Welcome to the demo for Sinopia Sprint 14. I'm Michelle Futornik, the LD4P Program Manager. In today's demo, we're going to show the user account, registration, and login, as well as a new style for the linked data editor interface. So in Sinopia, you will need to have a user account and be logged in order to do two things. One is to create actual cataloging data in the linked data editor. And the other thing is to be able to upload new or revised profiles in the linked data editor. So in this sprint, we've got the user login and authentication working. You can log in proactively from the home page here, or you can wait until you're prompted to log in when you're trying to do something that requires authentication. So if you don't already have an account, you use this Request Account button. And it'll prompt you to create a username and enter your email and password. Once you do that, you're going to get a confirmation email. I'll show you what that looks like so you'll know what to expect. You'll get this email asking you to confirm that you want a Sinopia account. Okay, so back to the Sinopia page. So if you try to do something that requires a login, such as importing a resource template, you're going to be prompted to log in. After you log in, you'll see now here, welcome to your username, and that's your clue that you are logged in. Now when you try to do that same thing, import a resource template, you're able to. So that brings me to the next thing we want to show, which is the revised UI here in the editor for cataloging. So I'm going to import a template. And this is just a very short resource template to show the different kinds of data entry that are possible in Sinopia. You've got a literal field here where all that's expected is entering in literal data. You've got a lookup over here, which is right now going to Library of Congress subject headings. And then the third type, this is where the interface has changed the most. This is when you want to refer to another resource template, what we have also been calling a context node. So here in our previous design, when you clicked on a button, you would bring up a modal window to go to the other resource template, which in itself could refer to yet another resource template, and it could get confusing because you sort of lost your way. In this new design, you open the nested resource template, but you still have the context of where you started. And you would retain this context too, even if you had further nested resource templates. So those are our two things that we wanted to show for Sprint 14. Thank you.